Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to be setting up the A16W Dashcam. This is part 2. So let's get the dashcam out and the charging cable. Use the manual. So we need this dashcam. And we need to find the charging cable. There we go. And you put this in the top there. So let's plug the camera in. And the screen automatically comes on once it's plugged in. Here there's a red light flashing, that means it's recording. So let's just turn that off while we set it up. So you press this top OK button here, and as you can see the red flashing dot has gone, so it has stopped recording, so we can set up the camera. Before I set up the camera, I just want to go through all the buttons on the side. So on the left hand side we have the SD card, then we have the up arrow, next button is the menu button, and the bottom button is the down arrow. On the right side we have the OK button, we have the mode button, we have the lock button, and we have the on and off button. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, because it's a brand new dash cam, is format the SD card. So we press the menu button on the left hand side, which is this central button here, and that will give you all the options in that menu. So we have resolution, loop recording, parking monitor, G sensor, motion detection, Wi-Fi, screensaver, light source frequency, language, audio, rear mirror, boot sound, date time, key sound, and format. So there we have it there, format. So then we go to the right hand side, and the top button we press this button, the OK button, because we want to format the SD card. So press it, format SD card, OK. So press the OK button here again. So there we go, formatted SD card. So that's done for us. So now we can go up and set the date and time. So just used the up arrow, press the OK button, the top button on the right. The year is correct, so press OK. That will bring you across to the month. The month is April, that's correct, press OK. The date is the 8th. If it was a different date, just press the up and down arrow and then press OK. The hour, the time at the minute is 13:14, so let's press the down arrow. Press OK. The minute, OK. And let's just say the seconds is 35. I'm not too sure what the seconds is because I haven't got the seconds time. So press OK. So that should be the date and time set up for you. Let's just go through some other. Resolution, so you have the options, press OK if you want to see the options. You got 2.5 or 1080. Apparently in resolution the 1080 is for the rear camera and the 2.5 is the front camera. So let's just go for 2.5 at the minute. Loop recording, select your timings, press OK. If you want it 2 minutes, 1 minute or 5 minutes, let's go with 2 minutes, press OK. Parking monitor, I'm not going to have this dash cam connected to the battery, so I'm going to leave that off. The G center also is going to be switched to off. Motion detection is going to be switched to off. Wi-Fi I will set up in a moment. Screensaver. If you decide to select the screensaver, say for instance for 10 seconds, what will happen is when the footage is recording, after 10 seconds the screen will just display the date and the time instead of the footage, like so. If you don't like that, just go back into screensaver, press OK and turn it off, and then it will be continuously displaying the footage. Light source frequency, I'm not too sure what that is, so I'll have to have a look at that. Language is English. Audio, I'm going to switch this to off, so I'm going to press OK, and that's there switched off. Did you see that? So at the start it was a blue to switch it on. Look at that little icon there, and to switch it off it just goes to grey. So I want to switch that off because I don't want my conversations in the car being recorded, because I'm a chatty person. Rear mirror is for the rear view mirror dash cam, if you want that displayed on your dash cam. I do, so I'm going to leave that on. Let's go down. Boot sound, so this is just the sound when the dash cam boots on or off, if you want it to make a sound, or if you don't. I do, because then I know for definite it is on, my dash cam is working. The date and time we've just done. The key sound is the little sound you hear when I'm going up or down or pressing any of the buttons. Let's leave that as it is. And format we've just done. So if you need any more information with regards to all these options, everything is in the user manual here. So let's just go to the Wi-Fi, press OK, and you can have the Wi-Fi on or off. So to come out of the menu, just press the menu button there, and there you go, it starts recording automatically. So let's go through what we have on the display. 2.5 was the resolution. The next is the date. The next is the time. Across we have a little square that's showing that the SD card is inserted. The next one is the microphone with the line through it. That means I have switched the microphone off. And the last one is the battery. At the bottom you have the brand there, and on the bottom left here, if you had the Wi-Fi set up, you'd have your details there. The next button we're going to look at is the mode button, this one here. So I'm going to press that, and the information is displayed as follows. So the top one there is all the footage. if we use the down arrow, the next icon will turn blue. That will be the protected files. If we go down, that will turn blue, and that is any photographs we've taken. If we want to have a look at the footage we've recorded, press OK. Use the up or down arrow to select which video you would like to view, then press OK. If you want to delete the footage, press Mode button. Delete current file, OK. Press the OK button. If you're not sure, use the down arrow, cancel, and OK. That will keep it for you. So let's go through that again. Mode, delete the current file, OK, and OK if you want to delete it. If you're not sure, down arrow, cancel, OK. To get back to all your selections, press the menu button there. Another way to delete footage is to go into the selection, choose which one, press the mode button, delete, OK. So just select whichever you want, press the mode button in the middle, delete, OK. So what I've noticed with this particular dash cam is you don't have the option to take a photograph on the device itself. You have to go through and use the app for that. So you can't actually take a photo, I don't think, using your buttons on the side. But the other button that we have is the protect button here at the bottom. So let's just start a video. We press that button there, lock current video, and the light there will change from the flashing red to the flashing yellow, and that file will be protected. Setup complete. Please remember now to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. If I've helped you in any way with any of my videos, then it's free to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.